My today's video is how you can easily patch and repair your wall. Every house has this sort of an issue in their wall where the paint starts peeling off and there's bubbling because of internal water leakage issues. So here I'm removing all the extra paint which has come off. I'm scraping the wall clean, and you need to make sure that all the paint has come off. And after you're finished doing that, you need to make a mixture of the wall putty. It's easily available, and I have not followed any fixed proportion as of the putty and water. Just added to this bowl and mixed water to make it into a smooth paste. It shouldn't be very thick and it shouldn't be very thin either. It should be smooth and flowy so that it's easy to apply it on the wall. I have this orange flat scraper like thing which I got from Mr. DIY, and you could also use your old credit or debit card. Here you can see, since it's a narrow area, I'm using my credit card to apply, old credit card to apply on the wall. You just have to make sure that you apply a nice smooth paste, and it's very easy to handle it. You can smoothen it on your own very easily. It's not difficult. Initially even I thought it was difficult, but once I tried it out, I found it very easy. Now we have this kind of an issue in all over the house, like here and there in the wall, everywhere there's water related issues. This I had done long back, and recently we got the broker to get the rest of the bedroom rooms wall to be fixed. And in case you have water leakage issues, you need to apply a thin coat of Dr. Fix-It before you apply the wall putty. You can see I've covered up nicely all the areas. I'll also show the rest of the room walls which the painters have recently got the putty work done, but since it's rainy season, the wall has not completely dried, so we are waiting for it to dry completely, and then they will do the sanding work and apply paint. You see, I've finished this within no time, and this is the finished look. And once it's completely dry, you need to sand it well, and then you can apply a coat of paint. So this is the rest of the area wall, which recently the painters got it done. We're waiting for it to dry. You can see patches of areas where it has not dried, so without drying we can't do anything, so we're waiting for it to dry. So it's very easy to do this on your own, so that's why I shared this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Your subscription means a lot to me.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.